Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So trackies, yes, Jamaica is currently experiencing beer jubilation. I mean, our reggae girls, our sunshine girls, they keep making us proud consistently. The reggae girls have made it to the last 16. Y'all know I'm an easy crier. So without a doubt, I was left in tears yesterday. Every time I see a story pop up about them, I get emotional all over again. They're doing wondrous, on the world stage, and of course, making us absolutely proud. I mean, what a time to be, celebrating emancipation, and of course, independence will be coming up as well shortly. You know what? I'm kind of thinking that, and I don't think back then clearly, we were, a world power in sports, but they know what they were doing when they selected August, because I'm telling you, this is the time of the year when, Jamaicans are at their best and showing the world what we have to offer. And it just, rings home a different way, of course, when you're celebrating your independence and, of course, emancipation. So, with that said, let's jump into some more great news from our athletes here. And, of course, it's track and field. And, Kadrian Goldson, now he went to the World University Games and he won the men's 100 meters. Yes, taking away gold. Track is running 10.04 seconds. Now, Kadrian defeated Sean Masenwangani. He's from South Africa. He ran 10.06 seconds, and we have Ganfeng Chen. He ran 10.17 seconds from China for third place.
在这一枪的发令枪。好的，选手出发。今天马斯万甘伊和古德森两个人的争夺，到现在还在僵持阶段。陈冠峰现在处在前三，陈冠峰保持住速度，他最后的撞线还是牙买加人更快一些。第四道的古德森10秒02。古德森和马斯万甘伊两个人的竞争到了最后的3米，甚至说是竞争到了最后一刻。牙买加选手速度更快，我们等一等，在 电子计时修正之后的成绩10秒04，10秒04，经过电子计时修正之后，这是他的最终成绩。马斯万甘伊10秒06获得了亚军。等待一下第3位通过终点的选手陈冠峰10秒17，几乎与他在半决赛后还向自己的右侧看了一眼。 快了0.02秒。陈冠峰尽管说在相对靠外侧的赛道，在第2道，但是呢
Now I'm completely excited for Kadrian Goldson, of course. Again, making us celebrate more great things Jamaican. And of course, this comes, on the heels, well, me talking about it on the heels of, him not being selected for the team to head to the World Championships. For me, trackies, this definitely came as a surprise. Why? Of course, he ran that 9.94 seconds in the first round at our trials. But not only that, he also, made it to the finals and placed 7th in that finals at our trials in the men's 100 meters. So I was thinking, hey, we have a nice little sub 10 guy here. We have our guys doing some great things here on, the track. Why not give them the opportunity to head to the world stage, get a taste of what that is like before you're ever able to maybe, rep individually. You know what I mean? Give them a taste of what it's like. Make them hungry and determined to want to, continue making it on the world stage. But he did not make it. For the men's 100 meter 4x100 meters, he was not selected. We had Michael Campbell selected, Taekwondo Tracy, Akeem Blake, Oblique Seville, Ryan Ford, and of course Rohan Watson. I take no issues with the athletes selected, but again, trackies, we can use 8. You know what I mean? So why not give the athletes the opportunities on the world stage and let them perform? And again, this could be a nice little medal sitting down for Kadrian vision, for when he decides to go pro, he has something under his belt. I mean, at the end of the day, it's done, gone already, and he's not selected. I hope this lights a fire, under him where, well, let me not say it that way, but you all know what I mean, right? Where he can come back next season and do absolutely phenomenal and, ensure his selection for the team, for the Olympic year. But with that said, I'm really happy for Kadrian. Again, he won gold, at the World University Games. I am happy for him, and of course, excited. RSL track is onto some, drama that happened, yeah, at the World University Games, and this time it happened in the women's 100 meters. Apparently, some politics, I guess, was at play here because it seems as though the president of the Sports Foundation, allowed his niece to his or her niece, I'm not sure if this is a female or male, but their niece to participate in the women's 100 meters. And this person apparently is not a trained athlete. So now track is, since, this whole shebang went down, this person in question has been suspended, because again, this became a viral moment online because people are looking and they're like, this is clearly not an athlete. This person is running like how I would run on the track. You know what I mean? So anyway, track is, of course, I'm going to leave a video for you all to watch. It was interesting though, watching her towards the end of the race where she did a little skip, in jubilation like I would do, because again, I'm not an athlete, and to be able to be on such a stage and represent, of course I would be excited even if I'm dead last, and I mean dead dead last. Anyway, I want y'all to watch the video and of course comment in the comment section, what did you think about this particular race? And of course, the president of the Sports Foundation, pulling a fast one and throwing their niece in. As usual, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.
好的，选手出发。其实马莫郎现在的领先还是比较有优势的，石川优在这个阶段逐渐开始掉队了。其实马莫郎处在第一位，率先撞线，全力的去冲啊！这一枪11秒58，到最后似乎想收着劲儿跑，但是已经收不住。